Nearing the midpoint, part of racing's Alabama gang runs first and second. Bobby Allison, number 16, the master, leads his 26-year-old protege, Neil Bonnet, number 12, by less than a car length. But on the backstretch, Richard Brooks rides one down hard. As safety crews move to the tattered remains of another race car, we see in slow motion what happens when a 3,700-pound automobile hurtles out of control at 190 miles per hour. Everything in the car broken from that wrenching series of vicious sidewinder rolls except for the mandatory roll cage to protect the driver. Unbelievably, Richard Brooks, after washing off the Alabama red clay, was back in the pits regaling crewmen with the ride of his life story. And the next day, he played 18 holes of golf.